We got 5 to go. This next one I didn't cut right. I am. I don't want to damage the cards.
Football cards.
Yeah. You also can't cherry pick Magic. Chris. You're gonna have to get this one.
Got it now. Hold on.
Yeah, this is a particularly hard to open card pack. There we go. A Uborg Siphon Mage. Black, not too bad. Another Cloud Chaser Kestro. It's a white. A Phalid Germinator. It's always nice. I'm actually looking for a Phalid Spore Sower. Terramorphic Expanse. One of the best lands in my opinion. A Snapback. A blue instant. A Pit Keeper. A Human Wizard. Black. Divine Congregation. It's a white sorcery card. Another Jahor's Time Bug. That'll be the third one for me. Second one on this break. Chameleon Blur, which is a green instant. Subterranean Shambler. It's a red. It's a 2/3. Spirit Loop. It's going to be a white enchantment. It's an aura. Got a Griffin Guide, another white aura. We have Premature Burial. It's a really nice card when you use it right. It's a black instant, or excuse me, sorcery. Inero Bees. It's an insect. 0/1 is going to be our rare for this pack, and the time shifted is going to be Sinbad. Or Sinbad. Alright. 4 to go. We got an Amrow Scout. White card. We got another Grape Shot. Scarwood Treefolk, 3/5 green Treefolk. Oops. There we go. Slipstream Servant. Excuse me, Serpent. 6/6. Gaze of Justice. So white. A Green Seeker. It's an elf shapeshifter. Parisian Interceptor. It's a human soldier. We got another Basil Sliver. I haven't had any slivers in a little bit. Another Drifter Ildal. Another Subterranean Shambler. A Harmonic Sliver. It's a combo sliver. Really nice right there. Pull from Eternity. So white. It's fairly nice. Got a Clockwork Hydra. And we happen to, it's not a hollow foil, but it's a very nice white card. It's the Weathered Bodyguard. It's 2 to 5. As long as it's not tapped, all the damage that you take goes straight to it. We got a 1/1 Whirling Dervish, Human Monk, protection from black. That's going to be the time shifted card for this set. Trickster, another one. Some blue. Benelish Cavalry, very nice. Feebleness, I like this black card. Looter Ilcor, it's a fairly nice card. We have another Spinneret Sliver. Keldon Halberder, it's a red. And another Basal Sliver, right there, it's black. Another Drifter Ildal. We have another Subterranean Shambler, it's a red. A Mindlash Sliver. Very nice Aura Fallen Ideal. Really come in handy. Ignite Memories. So red. A Might Sliver. And we have a very, very powerful Terrify Mage of Zalfir. I was actually looking at this card online today and saying I wanted it. It's a legendary. And our time shifted is going to be Spike Feeder, a 0/0. I'm sure it gets some counters on it to take care of that. Okay. One more. Got two more left. Hoping for a third holofoil in this pack. It's possible to get two more. Ironclaw Buzzadiers, it's a red. We got another Temporal Eddy. Tendrils of Corruption. Another Lightning Axe. A Mog War Marshal, we've already got one of these as well. Another Divine Congregation. And a Jahor's Time Bug. We got a Chameleon Blur here. It's green. We've already got one of these. Another Subterranean Shambler. We have a Cyclopean Giant. It's going to be a black zombie. We have the Evil Eye of Uborg. And we have the green totem for the Time Spiral set. And that is one of the set. There's one for each color. And so we have the green, blue, and black one now. We have the Void Mage Husher. It's blue. A Thelonite Hermit is going to be the rare for this. Fairly nice card right there. And we have the Rack, which is an artifact from the Time Shifted set. It's not too bad. We have one more shot at a holofoil. And we'll be back with part 4.